everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make cat or fox ears for Halloween. So first you're going to need a headband, then you're going to need some orange felt or whatever color you want your ears to be, and you're definitely going to need some white felt for the inner ears, and then some black felt if you're going to make fox ears. Then you're going to need scissors, and thread is optional if you want to sew. You'll also need pen and paper, and I recommend Sharpie, and if you're lazy you can super glue everything. So take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Place your headband on the edge where the paper is folded in half and trace the edge of the headband. Fold the headband line in half. The line should be however wide you want the ears to be. Next, draw a line along the folded line. This marks the middle of the ear. Then draw the curves of the ears. Make sure the curves are symmetrical by drawing them to the top of the ear point. Then cut out the ear pattern. Then place the pattern on top of the orange felt, trace the pattern, and then cut it out. Make sure you repeat this so you end up with two. Fold back the headband area. Trace two ear shapes. You want to draw the inner ear inside the traced ear, and it should be in the shape of a rounded triangle. Don't forget to make a pattern for the fox markings if you're making fox ears. Cut out your patterns. Trace the inner ear pattern on white felt and then cut it out. Be sure to repeat this step so you end up with two, and then super glue them down if you're not going to sew. Place your ears on top of the headband to make sure they fit. You can actually stop here if you'd like and just super glue them down. To make fox ears, trace the fox markings on black felt, cut out the patterns, and then repeat. Place the fox marking on the opposite side of the inner ear. Super glue this down or sew it. Next, place the ears on the headband and adjust. If you'd like, you can stop here and use super glue, or you can continue and sew it. First, sew across at the base. Pinch the sides of the ears tightly together to make sure that your ears will fit tightly on your headband. Once you finish the base, sew the sides. When you finish sewing, tie a knot and cut off the extra string. Repeat on the other side and then adjust. Congratulations, you're done! So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope you guys have a great Halloween. Thanks for watching Neon Rouge 37.